Welcome back. In this lesson, we'll learn about strings in C++, which allows us to work with text like names, messages, or any sequence of characters. A string is a sequence of characters. In C++, we can use two types of strings: C-style strings, which are arrays of characters, std:" string, which is more flexible and modern. You know that C style strings are arrays of characters, and this is how we declare them. We write the data type, then the variable's name, and inside the square brackets, we write the number of characters or letters which our variable will hold. The null character marks the end of the string. C style strings are not very flexible but used in legacy C++ programs. Using std:" string is easier. You don't need to worry about sizes or null characters. And it comes with many useful functions. For that, you just have to write #include string, and then in the main you'll write the data type string, variable's name, then in double inverted commas you'll write your string. Let's use some string functions. Let's say we want to count the number of characters. For that, we can use .length function, which will give the number of characters a variable holds. We have to write the variable's name, then with the dot, we type our function. Let's print this to the screen. Here we got the name and then the number of characters. Let's change every character of Madhav to uppercase letters. For that, we have to run a for loop. And inside the for loop, we'll write char and c, colon the variable's name, and then c equal to 2 upper, and within the function, we'll write c. We can also extract a part of the string using substring. For that, we have to write dot substring, and then inside the parenthesis, we have to write the start and then the length. Let's run this program. So we got Madhav in uppercase and then substring mad. More such functions are dot append, dot find, dot replace. Use getLine to read full names with spaces. Cin_name only reads up to the first space. Strings are the foundation for working with text, files, and even user input. So in this lesson we learned C-style strings versus std:" strings, basic string operations and functions, how to input strings with spaces. This is what you have to do. Ask the user to enter their full name, then print it in uppercase letters. If you completed the challenge, drop a similar emoji to this graphic. Like, share and subscribe so you can continue learning C++ step by step.